Now let's see how to calculate the loan installment using Excel. The formula that you have to use equals PMT, open the brackets, then you have to select the rate. So here before selecting the rate, what you have to understand, in this particular example, we have taken the period in months. 60 months means it is 5 years. So here we are going to settle this particular loan in 60 installments. Since you have the period in months, we have to take the rate also in months. Here the 18% is the rate for a year. So let me take this particular value and I'll divide it by 12. So I will get the rate per month. The next one that you have to select, it is the number of periods. The number of period, it is 60, then comma, then you have to select the loan amount. Then close the brackets. So first one is the rate, second one is the period, third one is the amount of loan that you are going to obtain. So press enter. Now you are getting a value 25,393.43. That is the installment that you have to pay every month.